Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to make a heart shape in Illustrator. So let's get started the video. At first, create a rectangle. You can create it any size you want. Pin the color to red or whatever you want. Click on the corner widget and pull the corners all the way in. Now go up to the corner and rotate it. Hold Shift and rotate it to 45 degrees. Then we'll duplicate it. Hold Alt and drag it here. Now we have two shapes here. Okay, then go to Properties panel and flip horizontally. Then select both shapes by clicking and dragging and go to Shape Builder tool. Now you need to remove these two bottom parts. So hold Alt and you will see a minus icon. Just click on those parts to remove them. Here it is. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.